Ever feel like a story just stopped, like you were left hanging, craving more? Uh, that's exactly how many fans felt with the ending of part uh, distinction. The recent conclusion of part two left some confused and wanting a different outcome similar. But don't despair. There's still a chance to revisit this incredible world. Um, it turns out part two isn't truly over yet. A new volume is on the way, promising revisions and a chance to reshape the ending. Reading the chapters online versus waiting for the collected volumes is a different experience. Um, Tatsuki Fujimoto consistently refines the artwork with each release, adding detail and polish, and volume 23 already saw significant redrawn pages, improving the final battle. Volume 24, releasing June 4th, will continue this trend with revised art and details for the apocalyptic climax but that's not all. This volume includes 12 entirely new pages, never before seen. This is where things get exciting. And could this be a simple epilogue or the foundation for a long-awaited part three? The new pages could be anything. Perhaps they'll simply expand existing scenes, offering more depth and context. Or maybe they're going to set the stage for a brand new chapter in Denji's life. There's even a chance, however slim, that the pages could be sketches or filler. But even expanding the existing chapters would be a welcome addition, providing the care the manga deserves. June 4th is the date to mark. It's the day fans will finally see a revised ending for part two with the artistry and attention to detail the series is known for. It's a second chance for a story that captivated so many. And speaking of captivated, did you hear about the Chainsaw Collector? He was really cutting edge. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, bye-bye.